Welcome to the Learning English channel. Short stories. Health is wealth.
Once upon a time, a kind-hearted and generous king once lived. The people, however, were not happy with their king because he was very lazy and wouldn't do anything but eat and sleep. He spent days, weeks, and months in his bed either eating something or sleeping. The king became a potato couch and the people started to worry about the king. One day, the king realized that he couldn't even move his body, not even his foot. He became very fat and his enemies made fun of him, calling him Fatty King, Bulky King, etc. To make himself well, the king searched out great doctors from throughout the country and offered them generous rewards. Unfortunately, nobody was able to restore the king's health and fitness. The king spent enormous amounts of money, yet it was all for nothing. One fine morning, a holy man visited the country. He heard about the ill health of the king and informed the minister at the palace that he could easily cure the king. The minister became very happy when he heard these promising words. For the king's problem to be resolved, he requested that he meet with the holy man. The holy man resided in a distant place. Since the king could not move his body, he asked the minister to bring the holy man to the palace, but the holy man refused. He said that the king had to go to him in order to get cured. The king eventually met the holy man at his home after making a significant effort. The holy man praised the king and predicted that he would soon regain his health. He also added that the king was a great ruler. The next day, he invited the king to visit for treatment. Additionally, he informed the king that he would only receive treatment if he walked on foot to the holy man's house. While the king was unable to take even a few steps on the route, his followers helped him get there. Unfortunately, the holy man was not home, but his assistant asked the king to see him the next day for aid. This was repeated for 2 weeks, and the king never met the holy man and never had any treatment. The king gradually became aware of how much lighter and more energetic he felt than before, as well as how much weight he had lost. He understood why the holy man had urged him to walk to his place. Very soon, the king regained his health, and the people were very happy in his kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.